In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an address list in Microsoft Word. Creating an address list is a simple but very useful way to organize contact information in a clean and structured format. Whether you're managing personal contacts, keeping track of business clients, or preparing information for mailing purposes, Microsoft Word provides easy tools that help you build a clear and organized list directly within your document. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Starting with a fresh document gives you a clean workspace where you can set up your list exactly the way you want it. Once the blank document is open, place your cursor on the page where you would like the address list to appear. This is where the table that will hold your contact information will be inserted. Next, go to the Insert tab located at the top of the Word window. The Insert tab contains various tools that allow you to add different elements to your document, including pictures, shapes, and tables. From this tab, select the Table option. When you click on Table, a grid will appear, allowing you to choose how many columns and rows you would like to include. For this example, select 3 columns and 2 rows. This basic structure will allow you to organize simple contact information in a clear format. The 3 columns will represent the categories for your list, such as first name, last name, and email. Once you select the grid size, Word will automatically place the table into your document. After the table appears, begin entering your information into the cells. The first row can be used as a header row to label the categories. In this case, type the titles for each column, such as first name, last name, and email. These headings make the table easier to understand and help you quickly identify what type of information belongs in each column. In the row below, begin adding the contact information that corresponds to each heading. As you continue building your list, you can easily expand the table by adding additional rows whenever you need to include more contacts. This keeps your information neatly aligned and easy to read. Using a table to create an address list in Microsoft Word is an efficient way to organize contact details while keeping everything visually structured. Tables allow you to keep names and other information aligned, making the document easier to review and update later. Once you have finished entering the information, remember to save your document so you can return to it whenever you need to add or edit contacts. Keeping your address list organized in Word makes it simple to manage your contact information in one convenient place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.